Have you ever woken up after a terrible night's sleep and felt like you couldn't function? You drag yourself out of bed, look in the mirror, and suddenly everything feels worse. Your motivation, your mood, your confidence. And then there's that one friend who gets a full 8 hours every night and somehow wakes up looking like they have their life completely together. What's their secret? Well, it turns out sleep and confidence are directly connected. Today, we're diving into the science behind sleep and confidence, why a good night's rest makes you feel more powerful, how sleep deprivation messes with your mind, and most importantly, how to fix your sleep for a stronger, more confident version of yourself. Let's get started. Step 1. The science behind sleep and confidence. You might think of confidence as something that comes from your mindset, but your brain needs sleep to function at its best. When you're well rested, your brain is better at problem solving, emotional regulation, and decision making, all key factors in self-confidence. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone. So instead of feeling sharp, energized, and in control, you feel sluggish, irritable, and second-guess everything you do. Sleep isn't just rest, it's brain fuel for confidence. Step 2. The link between sleep deprivation and self-doubt. Ever notice that when you're sleep deprived, even small problems feel like the end of the world? That's because lack of sleep makes the amygdala, the fear center of your brain, overreact. So when someone gives you feedback, instead of thinking, that's helpful, your tired brain thinks, I'm a failure. When faced with a challenge, instead of thinking, I can do this, your brain says, what if I mess up? In short, a tired brain is an insecure brain. The less sleep you get, the more self-doubt creeps in. Step 3. How sleep impacts body language and energy. Confidence isn't just about how you feel, it's also about how you show up. Sleep affects your body language, posture, and the energy you give off. When you're well rested, you naturally stand taller, make better eye contact, and speak with more clarity. When you're exhausted, you slouch, avoid interaction, and give off, I just want to go back to bed energy. So if you want to look and feel more confident, fixing your sleep is one of the easiest ways to do it. Step 4. The confidence-boosting sleep routine. Now that we know why sleep matters, let's talk about how to get the kind of sleep that actually builds confidence. Here's the ultimate confidence-boosting sleep routine. 1. Stick to a sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day trains your brain to function at its best. 2. No screens before bed. Blue light from your phone messes with melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. Try reading instead. 3. Create a wind-down routine. Do something relaxing 30 minutes before bed, stretch, journal, or listen to calming music. 4. Keep your room cool and dark. Your brain loves a cold, dark cave for sleep. Aim for around 65 degrees. 5. Limit caffeine and late-night snacks. Stimulants keep your brain wired, so switch to herbal tea if you need something warm before bed. Step 5. Fixing the overthinking that keeps you up. One of the biggest confidence killers? Lying in bed replaying every awkward conversation you've ever had. If you struggle with overthinking at night, try this, the brain dump method. Before bed, write down everything on your mind. Get it out of your head and onto paper so your brain can relax. The 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds. This slows your heart rate and signals your brain that it's time to sleep. The not now rule. When a stressful thought pops up, tell yourself, not now. I'll think about this tomorrow. Train your brain to let go of worries at night. Step 6. Morning habits that reinforce confidence. Good sleep is half the battle. How you start your morning determines how confident you'll feel. Try these confidence-boosting morning habits. 1. Get sunlight first thing. Natural light tells your brain it's time to wake up, boosting serotonin and energy levels. 2. Move your body. Even 5 minutes of stretching or movement wakes you up and sets a confident tone for the day. 3. Practice positive self-talk. Instead of checking your phone first thing, start the day with a positive affirmation. Example, I am capable, I am confident, I am ready. Step 7. The 7-Day Confidence Sleep Challenge. Now, here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, focus on fixing your sleep. Each night, follow the confidence-boosting sleep routine, and each morning, check in with how you feel. I guarantee you'll notice a difference. Let me know in the comments which sleep habit you're going to try first. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more content on confidence and personal growth. Sleep isn't just about rest, it's the foundation for confidence, clarity, and success. Fix your sleep and you'll fix your mindset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.